Go, Sierra. I mean, Camille. Sierra's doing her own thing over there. She's just like, do. She's doing the dance moves the ugly guy is doing. I think that's a guy. Go, Sierra. I think Sierra's doing better than you.
Hold it.
Okay, I almost tripped. Oh, you're getting booze.
Hold this one, okay?
Jump. Up.
Oh, I was just joking. I'm about to fail.
No.